Y'all gonna laugh at me.
I'm not gonna laugh at you.
I promise you we're not gonna laugh.
When I grew up, right, and I remember.
It's hard for me because my grandma just passed. It's hard for my family. It's hard for my grandfather that's facing charges now because he's... Thank you. Thank you.
Today I will tell you about my professional dream of becoming a race car pilot. Let me start by telling... Pô.
Please don't laugh.
Okay.
I'm terrified of clowns, man.
When I was 9, I got molested by a guy with Down syndrome.
Don't laugh, Brandon.
I'm not laughing.
Why'd you laugh?
It's just...
That's fucking rude. I'm gonna say it again, and if you smile, I'm gonna leave.
Okay.
Every day for a summer.
In the news tonight, mourners at a funeral service stormed out of a church after the corpse reportedly started knocking from the inside of the